Most new sellers don't lose money because they don't work hard. They lose money because they choose the wrong product from the very beginning. Maybe they copy a random Shopify trend. Maybe they pick something just because it looks popular. Or maybe they jump into a crowded category without knowing the demand, competition, or profit potential. That's exactly what Doba Pilot Market Scout is built to solve. Market Scout is a beginner-friendly market research tool inside Doba Pilot. It helps you understand product opportunities before you spend money on ads, inventory, or supplier testing. Instead of digging through complicated spreadsheets or trying to interpret dozens of disconnected data points, Market Scout turns market signals, industry trends, and category insights into one clear research report. So you can make smarter sourcing decisions with less guesswork. Every Market Scout report starts with a core conclusion and a market overview, so you can quickly understand whether a category is worth exploring. Then you'll see a category comparison table, where different niches are compared side by side. This helps you quickly answer questions like, which category has stronger demand? Which niche looks too competitive? Where might the margins be more realistic? And which products are better suited for a beginner-friendly dropshipping model? Instead of spending hours researching manually, you get a clear, structured overview that helps you find a better starting point. How to use Market Scout. Step 1. Access the tool. Log into Doba, go to the Doba Pilot menu, and select Market Scout on the left panel. Step 2. Enter your criteria. For this example, let's enter a broad, evergreen category. Help me find furniture, gardening, and tool markets with higher profits. Market Scout immediately generates a high-level overview and a side-by-side category comparison table. Step 3. Analyze category deep dives. This is a huge market, but that also means it can be very competitive. So instead of simply telling you this category is popular, Market Scout helps break it down into more specific opportunities. It helps you understand where the category may be too saturated, and where smaller, more focused niches may still have room to enter. To find a better product opportunity, Market Scout organizes the report around 4 key areas. First, market size. This shows you market scale and saturation, steering you away from overcrowded categories toward low competition niches where beginners can easily rank. Second, sales performance. This tracks transaction velocity and search trends, instantly filtering out slow-moving items to prove real, active consumer demand. Third, product metrics. This checks your financial and logistical viability, analyzing pricing and margins to ensure excellent markups while protecting your bottom line. Fourth, competition. This maps out back-end risks like return rates and competitor dynamics, helping you avoid high-risk operational traps, so your store can easily stand out. At the end of the report, Market Scout gives you practical next steps. That's what makes Market Scout useful. It does not just give you data. It helps turn that data into a clearer action plan. Once you have a data-backed product direction, you can continue the process inside Doba. Through Doba's integrated ecosystem, you can connect with vetted suppliers, review product options, and sync selected products to your store more efficiently. So the workflow becomes much smoother. Research the market, validate the opportunity, find suitable products, connect with suppliers, and move faster from idea to launch. If you're tired of guessing what to sell next, Doba Pilot Market Scout gives you a clearer starting point before you spend money on ads, inventory, or supplier testing. Market Scout is now available inside Doba Pilot, and for a limited time, you can unlock early access for just $19.99 per month. Click the link in the description below to get started with Market Scout today.